Neveland heated jacket. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Survival. So Neveland was kind enough to send me this awesome jacket. I've been rocking it for about 2-3 weeks now. It does have some nice moto patches that come with it. It does come in a nice carrying case and a whole bunch of goodies, including the battery and charging cable. So what's nice about this jacket is it is waterproof. It has a whole bunch of sensors in there. There is a 6 sensor zone. But before we even start that, what I need you guys to do is to like, subscribe, share. Most of you guys watch my channel on a weekly basis, but you're not subscribed. So go ahead, hit that like button, give it that little bell icon, all that stuff. If you want to support this channel, I will put the link down below to this jacket. If you buy it from Amazon, I get like 2 cents on the dollar. Thank you very much. Everybody is happy. You get an awesome jacket and I get 2 cents on your dollar. So thank you very much for that. This is a sponsored video, so I did not purchase this jacket, but I am very, very happy with it. They retail right now for about $100 because of the holiday season. If you're looking for a heated jacket, this is definitely nice. It's very well cut, it's very well done, and I'm going to drop the camera so we can get into the specs. Alright guys, so what you're going to get in the bag, this is the travel bag that it comes in. It's really nice, it's mesh, it has a whole bunch of instruction booklets and all that kind of stuff in there. It tells you how the vest works. You also are going to get your battery. I believe this is 10,000 mAh. Alright, so it's a pretty powerful battery bank. If you touch the button right here, it will also tell you how much battery is left. There's 2 ways to charge this. You can use the regular USB or the USB-C, which is going to be the regular USB or the USB-C charging cable, and it does come with the plug, which is I highly recommend using the plug instead of a computer or something else. Reason is because this can take up to 6 hours to charge. All right, this is a large battery, needs to be charged. Now on the other side is where it connects to the code itself. All right, and on the other side, through this pocket, through this bottom left pocket, there's a little hideaway where you're going to be able to connect your battery, and that's going to give you power for your heating element. And once you plug it in, you'll see this thing go through its modes. The buttons themselves are going to be on the lower left side. Again, there's going to be different thermal units. This does have 6 heating zones, and we'll get into that in a second. The way this works is very simple. If you want to turn on the front pocket, you just click on the front pocket, hold it, and you'll see it start to dim in and out. That means it's on. It also has an automatic shut off. After 1 minute of it doing that, it's just going to shut off, so don't think it's off at all. The temperature zones is 149 degrees Fahrenheit for the high, 131 for the medium, and 104 for the blue zone. All right, so that's the blue. That's going to be the lowest setting. And again, if you want to set up the back panels or turn on the back panels, you just hold it on. Again, it's going to start off in the high mode. You can go into the medium mode and the lowest mode, which is 104 Fahrenheit. All right. Zones that you're going to have on here is going to be immediately the pockets. All right, you're also going to have a little bit up here near the chest on the back area. On the back, you're going to have the lower back here, and you're going to have up here, these 2 positions up here. On the pocket, for the pockets themselves, you're going to have 2 hand warming pockets, both with zippers. You're going to have an external left zipper pocket. You will also have an internal left zipper pocket. All right, inside here, again, most of this is made by polyester. Again, the surface is polyester, the insulation is polyester, and the lining is polyester. All right, so what that means is you're going to get pretty good water protection, water resistance, and again, even without the heating elements, it's pretty warm. All right, it's a really nice mid-weight jacket. Again, this has zipper tape on it, so with the zippers themselves, when you zip it up, it has a little bit of waterproof lining, so that's going to help with your rain. The hood itself is very comfortable. It does have a zipper, so if you want to take off the hood, if that's not for you, that's fine. I just leave it on there. There's no heating elements inside the hood, but the lining is sufficient to block out any cold, wet, or anything like that. And it does have a little lip on the end. So again, if it's raining, it's not dripping into your face. So that's really nice. This also has heat protection. So for any reason, if the heating area internal temperature exceeds 149, the implanted sensors will be triggered to turn off the power immediately. So don't worry about turning into a human fireball. That's pretty good. On the left sleeve itself, they do come with a bunch of patches. So you have 3 different types of patches. It has the Neverland logo in white, the Neverland logo in a blue, black, and white, and of course Old Faithful, which is nice. You could take these off and go incognito if you like, but again, I thought it was kind of cool to just have the patches on there. You don't need them. You can take them off. You can switch them out. Your choice, your flavor. You decide what you want to do. Now, I've been wearing this thing for about almost 3 weeks now, 4 weeks, and it's been super comfortable. Like even in 30-degree weather, the only thing I have under here is a light t-shirt, sweatshirt, or hoodie, and then I just use this. Please be advised though, with the battery life or the battery cycle. All right, so the company states that it depends on the heating settings, but the battery is a 10,000 mAh 7.4 volt battery. Usually lasts about 3 hours on high, 4.5 hours in the middle, and 8 hours while on low. Again, that's a little bit of a stretch. I think the longer that you keep this on, obviously, the more it's going to burn out. Again, I did have it on high, and it did last at least 3 hours, which was nice. But then again, once the battery is done, there's no more heating. You're just using whatever insulation you have on. So you have to plan for that. A lot of folks like myself, what we tend to do is if you are working outside, turn it on when you're cold, let it heat up, and then turn it off once you are warm. This way you can stretch out the battery life and again be warm or semi-comfortable all day. You probably want to pick up another battery if you're planning on using this for an overnight trip, or you don't have access to plug it in and recharge this jacket. This jacket is machine washable. However, it is recommended to use a wash bag when washing. Make sure you take the battery out and get it clean. Again, I want you to understand that this is a lightweight, waterproof jacket, all right? So it is designed to be outdoors for a limited amount of time. Please don't depend just on the battery life, but it is cut very well and form-fitting. If you watch the video, understand that whatever shirt size you are is the jacket size you should purchase. If there's too much airspace in between you and the jacket, it will not keep you warm. So again, I wear an extra large t-shirt or an extra large hoodie, so therefore I got an extra large jacket. It does have cuffs at the end of the sleeves, and what that does is it helps to keep all the heat and warmth in. It also has drawstrings at the bottom. Again, if you want to cinch up the bottom, it will help keep the heat in. So again, it has to be a little bit form-fitting for these things to work accurately. All right, guys, let's go back up and finish up. All right, guys, so yes, I highly recommend this for the cost. Again, I just started getting into heating element type clothing. That was never a thing for me. I just bundled up or used extra layers. But now that the technology is sound and solid, it also has safety features in there, so you won't turn into a human marshmallow, which is kind of nice. You will have to recharge that battery before you leave the house. So again, if you're using it all day, it will die approximately after 3 or 4 hours, depending on how much usage that you have. So remember that when you come home at night to plug it back in, so this way in the morning you're good to go. Highly recommended. I will put the links down below to the actual company and to the Amazon store. Again, if you purchase anything from Amazon, I have an affiliate link there. I get 2 cents on the dollar of every time you purchase from me, so that's how you support this channel. Also, if you want to become a Patreon member, it's very simple. Just click on the link below. It'll take you to my Patreon support page, and only cost you $1 a month to watch videos like this before anybody else. Also, check out my other channels, 3 River Kydex, 3 River Blades, 3 River Books. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, guys, stay safe.